Looking to turn your everyday shower into a more relaxing, modern experience? In this video, we're checking out 5 luxury shower systems for 2026 that combine stylish designs, convenient controls, rainfall coverage, thermostatic temperature management, and advanced features. Some focus on a clean and elegant look, while others add digital temperature displays, multiple spray patterns, LED lighting, or even built-in Bluetooth audio. So whether you're remodeling your bathroom or simply want to upgrade your shower, these 5 systems are worth checking out. Let's get started. Number 5. Itana Digital Shower System. Starting our list is the Itana Digital Shower System, a modern option designed for homeowners who want precise controls and a premium appearance. The system features a gun-gray brass construction that gives it a contemporary look while providing solid durability for everyday use. One of its standout features is the digital temperature display. Instead of guessing how warm the water is, you can monitor the temperature while adjusting the controls to find your preferred setting. The system also uses separate hot and cold water controls, giving you greater control over the overall water temperature. For a more relaxing experience, the waterfall outlet produces a wide, gentle stream that creates a spa-like feel. The system also includes a ceramic cartridge designed for smooth operation, along with a honeycomb bubbler that helps create a softer water stream. Another useful addition is the pulse massage function, which provides a more stimulating spray when you want something different from traditional rainfall. There's also a handheld spray gun that can be useful for rinsing, cleaning the shower area, or handling everyday bathroom tasks. With its digital controls, multiple water functions, and modern brass construction, the Itana Digital Shower System is a solid choice for anyone looking for a stylish bathroom upgrade without going overboard on complicated technology. Number 4. Edna Square Shower System. At number 4 is the Edna Square Shower System, which combines a minimalist wall-mounted design with convenient digital controls. Its gun-gray brass construction gives the system a premium appearance while helping it stand up to regular bathroom use. The built-in LED digital display makes temperature monitoring simple, allowing you to see the water temperature while adjusting the controls. One of the biggest advantages of this system is its constant temperature design. Once you've found a comfortable setting, the thermostatic system is designed to help maintain a more consistent water temperature throughout your shower. The system also offers multiple water functions, including rainfall, waterfall, and handheld spray modes. Its large 16-inch overhead shower provides broad coverage, making it a good option for people who prefer a more immersive rainfall experience. Another interesting feature is the hydro-powered display, which means the digital display can generate its power from the water flow rather than relying on an external electrical connection. Maintenance is also designed to be relatively convenient, with access that can make servicing easier without having to remove sections of the wall. Overall, the Edna Square is a strong combination of modern styling, temperature control, and versatile spray options. Number 3. Itana Brass Shower System. Moving into our top 3, we have the Itana Brass Shower System. This model focuses on combining a sleek appearance with straightforward functionality. The black brass finish gives it a bold, modern appearance that can work especially well with contemporary bathroom designs. Its wall-mounted construction also keeps the overall setup clean and organized. At the center of the system is an LED digital temperature display, allowing you to monitor the water temperature while making adjustments. The dual control design gives you separate control over hot and cold water, helping you find the temperature that feels right for you. The system also provides multiple shower functions, giving you the flexibility to switch between different spray patterns depending on your preference. The square overhead design provides generous water coverage, creating a more immersive shower experience. Because the system uses brass construction, it is designed with durability and corrosion resistance in mind. And unlike some high-tech shower systems, this one keeps things relatively simple. You get useful modern features without needing to manage a complicated smart home setup. If you're looking for a stylish shower upgrade with digital temperature monitoring, multiple spray functions, and durable construction, the Itana Brass Shower System is definitely worth considering. Number 2. Justanna Chrome Shower System. Coming in at number 2 is the Justanna Chrome Shower System. This model takes the luxury shower concept a step further with a large overhead shower, thermostatic temperature control, digital monitoring, and multiple spray functions. The polished chrome finish gives the system a clean and sophisticated appearance, while its copper construction is designed for long-term use. One of its most useful features is the LED digital display, which can show the current water temperature and shower time. The display is powered by a built-in hydroelectric generator, so it doesn't require a separate external power source for the display. For the water experience, you get several different options. There is a wide rainfall mode for a gentle full-body shower, a waterfall outlet for a broader cascading flow, and a handheld shower for more targeted rinsing. The overhead spray also uses air boost technology to create a fuller water stream. Temperature control is handled through a dual control system combined with a thermostatic valve. The thermostatic function is designed to help maintain a stable temperature, which can make the shower more comfortable and reduce unexpected temperature fluctuations. The large overhead shower measures approximately 330 by 600 millimeters, giving you plenty of coverage. And with several finish options available, the Justanna system can be matched to different bathroom styles. For homeowners who want a combination of luxury styling, large area coverage, digital controls, and thermostatic temperature management, this is a very interesting option. Number 1. Mbone MBG 550H. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Mbone MBG 550H. This system stands out because it combines the traditional luxury rainfall shower experience with features designed for a more immersive bathroom setup. The large overhead shower is made from 304 stainless steel, providing a durable construction with a sleek modern appearance. But the real attraction is what happens beyond the water. The system includes 64 LED lighting colors, giving you the ability to customize the atmosphere of your shower. The lighting can be controlled through the included remote, touch controls, or compatible mobile device connections using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And that's not all. The Mbone MBG 550H also includes a built-in Bluetooth sound system, allowing you to connect a phone and play audio while you shower. For the water itself, the system offers 3 main modes: rainfall, mist, and waterfall. A diverter allows you to control the water flow, while the adjustment controls let you change the intensity according to your preference. The system is designed to operate at approximately 0.3 to 0.5 MPa of water pressure, with around 0.4 MPa recommended for optimal performance. Depending on operating conditions, the listed flow rate is approximately 16 to 28 liters per minute. Another convenient feature is the digital temperature display, which can show the water temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. So if you're looking for a shower system that focuses heavily on technology, lighting, audio, and multiple water effects, the Mbone MBG 550H is one of the most feature-packed options on this list. And there you have it, 5 luxury shower systems worth considering in 2026. From the straightforward digital controls of the Itana models to the large overhead coverage of the Justanna and the high-tech lighting and Bluetooth features of the Mbone, each system offers something different. Before buying, make sure to check your bathroom's water pressure, installation requirements, available space, and plumbing compatibility. Also, check the latest specifications and pricing before making your final decision. Which one would you choose for your bathroom? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Flow Fit DIY channel.